Hi there. This video is going to be about how to use the resources that I'm creating and the videos in Alex. So once you start your path or you're working on your path, you're in the Learn section, okay? So this is the same as going to this section, the Learn section. Now once you're in here, you can click this arrow to choose your topic, right? Now, some of these topics don't have any tags down here, like this one, Introduction to the Power of a Product, Rule of Exponents. This doesn't have any resources. So here you just have to read the explanation and answer the questions. But for this one, you see how it says tags video? That means that there is a video for this question. And to access the video, you go over here to the icons where the calculator is, and you click on that. So see how there's actually videos already here? There's one from Mr. Hardesty, and there's actually a second video here also, okay? So there's one on the FOIL method, and then Mrs. Hyman teaching the distributive method. All right, so if you click on this, you'll see that some of these have video tags, but then if you keep going, you'll see that some of them also have one that say Instructor Resources, like this one. So here you have solving a word problem involving rates and time conversion. So if it has an instructor resource, it means a lot of people were having difficulty with it. So I made an additional video. So if you look at this one, see how there's another icon here that looks like a person with a question mark? That's the resource. And whenever you click on that, there's a video that I made on my YouTube channel that's showing you how to do that. Okay, so you click on that video and then it comes up in another tab. All right, so that's how you get to the Alex videos that I'm creating to help you out. Now, if you still are stuck on something, right, you still just don't get it. You've watched the instructor videos, you've watched the instructor resource, and you've already tried and you've looked at the explanation, nothing works. Click this button in the message center, right? If you click this envelope, it'll send me a message, and it'll already show me which problem you're stuck on, because see how here this box is already checked? So it will attach this page so I can see what the problem is. So here, the more specific you can be about what you need help on, the more I'll be able to help you. All right, I hope that this shows you how to ask for help and also how to use the instructor resources better. Good luck.